Hello everyone, it's Mathematics Central, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about simultaneous equations and how to solve them. So let's look at this equation right here. 3x plus 2y equals to 12. And what simultaneous equations are is two equations written like this, right? And what you really want to do when you get an equation like this is get rid of either this, the y, or the x. And the question will be, solve these simultaneous equations, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to solve this. So the first thing you want to do is see which is easier to get rid of, the y's or the x's. You can clearly see in this situation, because this is such a simple simultaneous equation, that you want to get rid of the y's. And how would you do this? Well, firstly, you look at here, they're both pluses. That means you can minus them, right? So if you minus this equation from this equation, you will get your answer. So I'm gonna show you guys how to minus it. I'm pretty sure you all know how to minus it, but anyway, I'll show you guys. So 3x minus 2x equals 1x. You could write 1x or just x. 2y minus 2y equals 0y. You don't write that. And 12 minus 10 equals 2. You just solved the simultaneous equation. X equals 2. And to find y, you would replace this x or this x with a 2, and you would work out what it equals. So 3 times 2. There's always a secret time symbol, but you can't see it. Plus 2y equals 12. You can work out y like this. You will do 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 2 equals 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 2y equals 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 3 equals y. There you go, you just worked out, well, I worked out for you a simultaneous equation. I'll show you another one. This will be quite different in terms of, well, you'll see how it will be different. Alright, so there's 3 types of different ones you might get, 3 variations. There's the second variation. This will be something like 4x plus 3y equals to 32. 5x minus 3y equals 13. Alright, so the most important thing to do in a simultaneous equation will be to look at these symbols. Here you can see the first one, the last one, in terms of that there's a plus and a minus. So the best thing to do in this situation is you add these two equations together to get the answer. So I'm going to show you how to add them. 4x plus 5x equals 9x plus 3 plus minus 3y will make 0y. Hopefully that makes sense. If that doesn't make sense, check out another video on how to add and subtract different types of numbers, and it'll make sense really quickly. 32 plus 13 equals 45. Well, I hope so. Yeah, it does. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. X equals 5. And I'm pretty sure you guys know the next step to this. Just replace this x with a 5, and you work it out as I did on the previous one. Alright, so I was actually wrong. There's only 2 types of these simultaneous equation things. I'm going to give you guys one, and try to do it. If you don't know how, Watch the rest of the video, I'll show you guys how to do it. So if you have, let's see, 7x plus y equals 22 and 2x plus 4y equals 246. No, sorry, 5. What would the answer to this be? Well, first and foremost, you look at the symbols here. They're both pluses, so you gotta minus them. 7x minus 2x equals 5x. 4y minus 4y equals 0y. 22 minus 5 equals 17. 17 divided by 5, and boom, you have the answer to x. When you get the answer to x, replace this with that number, and you just work out the equation like I showed you on the first part of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned how to do simultaneous equations.